How to make viral faceless POV style videos in 5 minutes. I'm going to walk you through how to recreate, for example, the famous Black Plague, and we're going to do it all within a single app. Step 1, go to blotato.com. This is the app we're going to use to make our faceless video. Once you're inside, go to videos. We're going to recreate the first 15 seconds of that viral Black Plague video. So here's the script. Choose your theme here, for example, grunge, and then click generate draft video. Next, you're going to enter the video editor. It's going to look like this with your script here in the captions, and then a couple slots for your draft images. What you want to do when you make any video is to follow a process called storyboarding, finalizing your script first, then making images, finalizing your images. The very last step is animating those images into video clips. By following this process, you don't burn a lot of credits generating video clips and then having to regenerate them all the time. So let's make our first image. Click on this green draft. This represents a draft image. Okay, it's going to open this sidebar where you can choose different AI models. I'm going to choose Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra, but during the storyboarding process, you may want a cheaper model such as Flux Schnell so that you can iterate a lot until you really like the style. And I'm going to replace this automatically generated prompt. And by the way, if writing prompts is a weakness, one trick is to use ChatGPT, like drop in a picture or part of a video that you like into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write an AI image prompt to recreate that style or scene. In the YouTube video description will be a link to my newsletter that will contain all the prompts I'm using for this tutorial video. Now click generate, and this will now generate the first image. Let's start the second image as well. So click the second draft shots. I'm going to switch it again to Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra and use this POV prompt. Click generate. And for shot number 3, same thing. Let's switch it to Flux Point Ultra, and then this is the prompt for the third scene in the video. And you can see the first scene is already done. You're waking up in the Black Plague in a bed looking out the window into the streets of London, England. Here's the second shot. He's like walking through the streets and he's going to be finding food and medicine. Third shot, offering your last coin for some bread. If you don't like one of these images, you can simply regenerate it. So click on the image you don't like, click regenerate. You can choose a different model, you can tweak the prompt, then click regenerate. I personally am already impressed though with the quality of these images. So let's say we like this, we're ready to go. Let's animate these images into video clips. Click the first image and then click create animated image. This is going to convert it into a video clip, which does cost a bunch of credits, but that's how you get that really, really cool style. You can choose from different models. For this first one, I'm going to use director, and then you type what you want to happen within the clip. First person perspective, someone's kind of waking up, slow fade in, regaining consciousness. I just asked ChatGPT, like, how would you write an AI image to video prompt, and then put it in here. Click generate when you're ready to go. Let's do it again for the second image, but let's choose a different model. So here I click the second shot, create an animated image from this shot. I'm going to choose this, type the prompt here, and click generate. Do it again for the third shot. Same exact process, and generating these video clips can take several minutes. So in the meantime, I'm just going to rearrange the timeline here so that everything lines up. Here's the second video clip. I'm going to move it over to this track. Here's a third video clip. I'm going to move it over to this track. And by the way, you can change the whole track system here if you want additional rows. Click settings. If you want to change the aspect ratio, if you want to change the zoom. The track system is like layers. So whatever's on top will be the topmost layer. So you typically want your captions on top. And then if you're adding any text, you want that on top as well. And then you want the video clips underneath that. And these images were just used for storyboarding and drafting before you animated them into video clips. While we're waiting, I'll also show you how to change the voice. So if you click on the captions here, it will open the captions tab, which you can edit. You can change how it looks, and you can change the voice itself. This is a bunch of 11 Labs default voices. Different voices will have different paces of speech, different speaking patterns. When you actually choose a voice and click generate voiceover, it's going to tweak the captions to the exact timing of the verse. So let's say we choose Roger, generate voiceover. Now you can see the captions kind of adapted based on how long it's going to take to say certain words. Click play to preview the video or hit the space bar. And also if you want to switch to light mode, you can here if it's a little easier to see. I personally like dark mode. Rearrange the video clip so it aligns with the voiceover caption. So here we want this third clip to start when it says offering your last coin. We want this second one maybe here. Now you can see the video clips are finished. Here's the final video. Just click play to preview it.
POV, you wake up during the Black Plague, 1351, London, England. trying to find some food and medicine, offering your last coin for some bread.
And that's pretty much it. You can export this video by clicking up here in the top right corner. Just a couple more features I'm going to point out. If you click image on the left-hand side, you can also search through a library of royalty-free images. So for example, cats, you can use these images in your video. You can upload your own image, or you can always generate an AI image. Similarly for video, Blotato offers royalty-free video clips. So if you search cats, you can use any of these videos. You can upload your own video. You can add audio here, and I'll have a lot more options soon. And of course, text overlays if you want a title. So when you're ready, just click export the video. This will take a couple moments, and then hit this notification icon, and you're going to see all of your exported videos, which you can either download or post directly to social platforms. Thanks for watching. If you want more tutorials on how to make faceless viral style videos, hit like, hit subscribe, and drop